Alrighty guys, I'm currently leaving my parents' place. I went there for the week of Thanksgiving break, and so I'm gonna head back to school, and hopefully this rain holds off long enough to where I can go out and shoot a few ducks. We'll see how it's looking. It's about a 40% chance of rain down by where we hunt, so I might go duck hunt, I might not. It depends on if it's actually raining by the time I get to that exit. If you're watching this, then I'm probably going duck hunting. I decided after checking the weather on my phone that I was gonna hunt. It's gonna be about a 40% chance of rain at like 3 o'clock. This highest is gonna be this afternoon. Super cloudy day, really strong south winds. Like we're talking 30-mile-an-hour south winds, and just kind of a little bit sprinkly, kind of misty, and it's a ducky day if I've ever seen one. So I texted Justin. He's gonna meet me here, and then we're gonna roll out. I gotta get changed. I'm still wearing like jeans and sweatshirts that I don't want to hunt in, so I'm gonna change, and then once Justin gets here, we're gonna hit the marsh.
Well guys, we're gonna go out and do another hunting adventure. I'm me and my roommate Josh. You guys know him. He's the one that's always behind the camera. Meeting him at our spot since he's coming home. I want to hunt in the same spot that I did last time, but we'll see what the circumstances bring us. So, wish us luck.
Alright, just waiting on Justin now. I'm gonna get my waders on. Hopefully. Oh, I hear him coming down the road right now. You ready? Yep. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna walk out to the spot. We gotta figure out what spot we're going to.
I mean, that spot where we hunted at, that's where a bunch of ducks were whenever I went a week ago.
It's a really long walk. First of all, we gotta see where all these people are too. We'll get there eventually. It's starting to kind of rain. We got the decoys set up, and I'm gonna put the big camera away because it's raining. Head mount on the GoPro today. There's no GoPro stick to get a film from the back, so we'll just see how this goes. Hopefully the rain will die out here pretty quick. So this is what we're hiding in right now. It's tight stuff, but we'll be hitting pretty good. Right here. I smoked that one. I'm a freaking hen killer. Green wing hen. Yeah. Oh. Justin just shot a mallard, so that's pretty cool. It's 3 ducks now. It's only like 3:30 in the afternoon. We're doing pretty good. Right here in front. Right here in front.
Oh, those two?
This one right here. Shot another green wing hen. Kill him. Go get that duck, Justin. I got that one. You want me to grab him? Never mind. Yeah, it is. Freaking shoveler. Here we go. Okay. I'd rather just shoot ducks right now. And that's all that we got. It's all right. I'll recap this once we get back home. I just had something really cool happen. I got checked by the game warden, right? And, you know, we checked out just fine. But the cool thing is, this game warden watches my videos. That's wild. Like, it's crazy. I never expected something like that to happen. So, I'm gonna head back and then recap this hunt once I get home. So, this hunt. There's a lot of things that can be said about this hunt. It was a really windy day for one. We had like 30-mile-an-hour south winds, which, you know, it wasn't bad. Considering the way the marshes are set up where we hunt, it's like perfect for a south wind. Now, the spot that we were at, was it the best? Probably not, but I mean, we did pretty well. My only complaint about today is we shot a lot of hens. Like, every 5 hens. We shot 5 hens. I think the shoveler was a drake. It's hard for me to tell on shovelers. I don't shoot those very much. But it looked like it was just kind of starting to get the color on its head. But if that shoveler was a drake, no, we shot 4 hens. 2 green wing hens and 2 mallard hens. I mean, it just comes down to take what you can get, and they all eat the same to me. I mean, you can't tell if it's a drake or a hen when it's on your plate. You know, today's just kind of one of those fill in the freezer days, I guess. Not super picture worthy. If I was going to do anything differently, I would have gone to the first spot that I thought about going to, because all day long these ducks were just diving in there. Justin was kind of unsure about that, so we went and hunted the spot that we did. But that's all I got to say about this hunt. Fill in the freezer, nothing super picture worthy. I mean, we've all had days like that where you're just like, another freaking hen. But hopefully later this week we'll be able to go out and do some more hunting. I'm really looking forward to it, especially this next weekend. Once we all get back together again after Thanksgiving break, it will be fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. And it's really cool that game warden watches my videos. I mean, never expected that one to happen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. It means a lot when you guys do that. If you don't know what subscribing does, basically whenever I post a video, it'll show up and you'll be like, oh, hey, Josh posted a video. Let's go watch that. But that's all I got for you guys. Check out our website, and I'll catch you on the next one.